Welcome to the future of smart living. Today, we're exploring a technology that combines comfort, energy savings, and sustainability. Smart curtains and blinds powered by solar energy. Imagine waking up every morning as your curtains automatically open with the sunrise. Powered not by electricity, but by the very sunlight streaming into your room. This isn't just convenience. It's the next step towards smarter homes and greener lifestyles. Stay tuned, because in this video, we'll cover how smart solar curtains and blinds work, their features and benefits, real-life use cases, pros and cons, and whether this is the right gadget for your home in 2025. Let's start with the basics. Smart curtains and blinds are automated window coverings that can open or close on their own based on timers, light levels, or even voice commands. When we add solar power into the mix, the system becomes self-sustaining. Tiny solar panels, usually placed on the curtain rails or blind casings, capture sunlight during the day. That energy is stored in small, rechargeable batteries, which then power the motor that moves your curtains. This means no wiring, no charging, and no additional electricity bills. Your curtains literally run on sunlight. The working mechanism is surprisingly simple, yet advanced. Solar panels, these capture daylight, even in cloudy weather. Battery storage energy is stored for use at night. Motorized tracks or rollers, these silently move your curtains or blinds. Smart controller connected via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It allows you to set schedules, use apps, or integrate with Alexa, Google Home, or Siri. For example, you can set them to close automatically at noon to keep heat out, or open at sunrise for a natural wake-up call, or even adjust based on room temperature sensors for energy savings. Now, let's talk about why these are becoming so popular. Energy efficiency. By blocking sunlight during hot hours, your air conditioner doesn't work as hard, saving electricity. Solar-powered convenience. No need to replace batteries or plug into a wall socket. The sun does the work. Smart home integration. Control everything from your phone or voice assistant. Imagine saying, "Alexa, close the blinds," and watching it happen instantly. Privacy and security. Schedule your curtains to close automatically when you're away, giving the impression that someone is home. Health and lifestyle. Exposure to natural sunlight in the morning boosts mood, while blackout at night improves sleep quality. Eco-friendly. Completely powered by renewable energy, reducing your carbon footprint. These gadgets aren't just for luxury homes. It's for homes perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or nurseries. Parents love them for creating nap schedules with blackout blinds. For offices, smart blinds help regulate natural light, reduce screen glare, and lower cooling costs. For hotels, guests enjoy futuristic comfort while hotels save energy. For eco-friendly homes, every watt of electricity saved adds up. Imagine hundreds of apartments using these. The impact is huge. Of course, no technology is perfect. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: runs on free solar energy, easy to install, no wiring required. Adds luxury and convenience, saves money in the long run. Eco-friendly. Cons: initial cost is higher than regular blinds. Solar charging may be slower in areas with less sunlight. Motors may need replacement after years of use. The future is exciting. Manufacturers are already experimenting with AI-powered light sensors, smart glass integration, and even self-cleaning solar panels for curtains. Imagine blinds that not only power themselves, but also adjust intelligently to weather forecasts or sync with your sleep cycle for maximum health benefits. In the near future, we might see these become standard in every modern smart home. So, are smart curtains and solar blinds worth it? If you value comfort, energy savings, and eco-friendly living, the answer is yes. They transform your home into a smarter, greener, and more futuristic space, while also cutting down on bills. This is not just about covering windows. It's about reimagining how sunlight, technology, and sustainability can work together inside our homes. Would you install solar-powered smart curtains in your home? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into futuristic gadgets that are shaping the world of tomorrow.